I'm gonna record my wife making her special smothered turkey wings. So first what she did, she cleaned them really good with water, and then she got this distilled vinegar to do some more cleaning. So you see she's soaking it with this vinegar. And then once she did that, she took a couple of lemons and she squeezed all the juice on it, and she also rubbed it down and cleaned it really good with these lemons. And then she put her decorative things on it right there. So she's gonna take these lemons, and I'm gonna show you what she's gonna do to these turkey wings. She's gonna clean them really well. You could tell a lady is doing this. You know, she got to have everything in order. And you guys probably seen some of my videos. Mine don't have to be that pretty, but you know, she got to make hers pretty. So she's scrubbing it really good, cleaning it with these lemon and vinegar. So I'm gonna speed this process up a little bit. I just wanted you to see how well she's cleaning it. So once she's got them clean, she's taking them out, doing a little bit more cleaning in the process of taking them out of the vinegar. And once she takes them out the vinegar, she's gonna put them back in the pan, but she's gonna damp it off, take all of the water and vinegar off of it. So and once she do this process right here, she's going to get her seasoning and season it all up. I'm going to show you what season she's using. So she got some onion powder. And like I said before, we don't measure anything. We've been cooking all our lives. And she got some garlic salt with parsley. The next thing she's gonna pull out is that Tony Satchers. We got to have that. We're from the South. So she's seasoning it with that. Then she put a little pepper in it, red pepper. Look like she snuck something else in on here. I think it's the 7 seasons. I think that's the name of this seasoning. 7 spices. So she's gonna turn everything over and she's gonna season the other side. So we'll fast forward through this. She's gonna do it exactly like she did before. So she's gonna take that, I think it's 7 spices and all this other stuff, and she's gonna put it on. Once she finished the seasoning, she's gonna get some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil you want. We use this oil so that the seasoning will stick to the meat. So she's gonna make sure all the season is in the meat, as you can see right there. And she did each one of them like that. So I'm gonna fast forward through this. And once she get it all seasoned, she let it sit, wrapped it up and let it sit for about an hour. What we're doing, we're just browning them on each side. As you see, she's browning it. And while she's browning it, I'm going to go ahead and mix up the gravy mix. So take a package of the brown gravy mix, and you got some cream of mushroom soup mix. You pour that in, and you take the can and fill it up with water and pour it in so you can use all of your seasoning. Then pour your brown gravy mix in, whisk it up, make sure you got all the lumps out of it. And if you want it to be thinner, just add a little bit more water. But while it's cooking, it's going to thicken up anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more water. And once that's done, we're going to go ahead and whisk this up. Make sure no lumps in it. Then we're going to add our onions and jalapenos. And if you want garlic or other things, that's up to you. And go ahead and saute these. Then we're going to put the turkey wings in. And then we're going to pour this gravy on the top of it. And put a little extra seasoning. And what I'm using my pressure cooker, but I'm not putting the top on it. So we're going to slow cook it for about an hour and a half once we put the seasoning in it. And I'm going to show you what it looks like here in a minute. So once we get all that seasoning stirred in, we got all our garlic and onion and jalapenos. And we're going to slow cook this for about an hour and a half. Check this out. Like I said, this in my pressure cooker, but I didn't put the top. If you use a pressure cooker with the top, don't cook it no more than 35-40 minutes. But without the top on it, cook it about an hour and a half. And this is what you get right here. And this is some good eating. So thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel and have a great day.